What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be going over ENDP on the stock ticker. This stock has a 202.39 million share float, so much higher than our optimum of 30 million or less, but the volatility is there, so we are going to be interested in this one. There was some fundamental news. We can see here, Endo announced Friday morning that it has filed for U.S. Food and Drug Administration approval of collagenase clostridium I don't know how to say that, for the treatment of cellulite in the buttocks. The FDA submission was based on positive results from 2 late-stage clinical studies. Endo has agreed to pay a total of $10 million to their lawsuit that they're in. The company will also provide up to $1 million of its vasostrict adrenaline products for free. The settlement with the 2 Ohio counties is good news for Endo. However, it's important to understand that this settlement represents just one battle in a much legal war that's being waged. So they definitely have more lawsuits coming, but for now it's good news. Okay, so let's get into technicals really quick. Let's go ahead and draw our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 351. We got our support down here at about 303. And then we have our median right here at about 326. Let's go ahead and zoom in. Now we can see we are above the VWAP here at about 304 is where the VWAP sits. We did push above, found support on the VWAP, moved up to 351, and you can see we kind of ranged in that area towards the end of the day. We're sitting at 338. I'm going to be watching this one on Monday. What I'm going to be doing is I'll set my alert here at 351. I'll do that right now. And if you want to use this trading platform, go ahead and visit that link in the description. You can get this charting program for free. So what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow or on Monday is I want to see that momentum return, and I'm not going to watch this stock until I have my alert go off when this breaks this level at 351. That way I don't have to watch this stock 24/7. Now once we do break above this 351, I'm not just going to hop in the trade. What I want to see is it come back down and retest off this 351, because I want to see either A, are we going back down here, or B, are we stabilizing and finding support here. Next thing I do is I wait for that momentum to return. I watch my level 2s. I will look for the volume. I watch the sell blocks. I make sure that there's no big sells going on, that the levels are thin. And then once that momentum does return, we do stabilize at 351. I go ahead and set my order above that pullback point, wherever that is. For this example, we'll just say it was here. These pullbacks, they could be 1 second, they could be 5 seconds, they could be 1 minute. You got to be ready once you pass that 351 level. That's why I suggest setting an alert, and you can do that with this charting program that I'm using. Go ahead and visit the link in the description. So what I do is when I see that stabilization at 351, I go ahead and add my order here at right above the pullback point, and I'll have my order ready to go. That way when the momentum does push us past there, the buyers that are holding stock and the people watching the stock, the euphoria will kick in, and I'll go ahead and ride that momentum up here up to 390 about. So this is the move I'm going to be looking for tomorrow. Or on Monday, come Monday, I'm going to have my alert set here at 351 already set up. If you're holding stock or you're looking to short, you're definitely going to want to watch a break from below this median here at 326 here. And then the next level we want to watch is this 304. As a break below this 304 would actually break the structure. And then the next thing you'd want to wait to see is if either A, we're going to get rejected off this VWAP and this previous support here at 303, or B, we come back up like this. And if we do get rejected, there's a very high probability that momentum will push us down just like that. Especially once people realize that we're not going to be able to make it back above the VWAP, that's when panic really sets in and the sell-off begins. So this is what I'd be looking for come Monday. Definitely want to keep an eye out at the 351 level, very important, and then also 303 for the bears and 351 for the bulls. If this video did help you, please click that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this one. If you click that bell notification, obviously you get a notification every time that I release a video. That way you know ahead of time what's coming. I do these videos every single day. So I'll see you guys later. Tyler out.